Hello everybody. I hope you are all fine. It's been over 2 years now since I last posted a video lesson due to personal reasons, but I am back.
There will be video lessons for 3 levels: beginner, elementary, and intermediate. Normal video lessons will be 20 minutes long. الدروس العادية ستستغرق 20 دقيقة. There will be lessons on structure and grammar, vocabulary, and everyday language. Finally, there will be a section for lessons for specific needs. Okay, so let's get started.
This video will be on vocabulary and expressions used for shopping. Names of shopping places.
Supermarket, supermarket. Street market, street market. Mall, mall. Bakery, bakery. Bookshop, bookshop. Pharmacy, pharmacy. Newsagent, newsagent. Stationery store, stationery store. Shoe shop, shoe shop. Fish shop, fish shop. Hardware store, hardware store. Music store, music store. Shopping basket, shopping basket. Trolley, trolley. Checkout counter, checkout counter. Cash register, cash register. Credit card, credit card. Price tag, price tag. Shop shelves, shop shelves. Cashier, cashier. Fitting room, fitting room. Cash dispenser, cash dispenser.
Now let's practice.
How much is the t-shirt? It's expensive. How much is the dress? It's $500. It's expensive. How much are the gloves? They're $4.50.
At the pet store.
Do you have goldfish? No, I'm sorry, we don't. Do you have cats? Yes, we do. I'll take 2, please. How much is this watch? How much is that umbrella? How much are these earrings? How much are those shoes? How much is this belt? How much is that handbag? How much are these high heels? How much are those socks?
Hello?
Hello. Can I help you?
Yes, please. I would like a loaf of white bread, a dozen eggs and milk.
Sure. How much milk would you like?
I'd like 2 cartons of milk.
Okay. Anything else?
Yes, a small bag of flour and a bottle of oil. How much is it?
That's $23.
Here you are.
And here is your change and receipt.
Thank you. See you soon.
Thanks for coming. Bye.
How would you like to pay? Cash or with credit card?
I'll pay with a credit card.
Countable nouns. How many? Uncountable nouns. How much?
Toujours pour demander le prix. Ou la quantité.
How much?
Toujours pour savoir le nombre.
How many? Now let's do this small exercise. Use this, that, these, or those.
These are nice boots. That is a jar of green olives. These are bags of flour.
Those are cartons of milk. Use how much or how many.
How much is this scarf?
How many loaves of bread do you need?
How much meat do we have in the fridge?
Let's learn more vocabulary. A jar of green olives. A jar of green olives.
A carton of milk. A carton of milk.
A bar of soap. A bar of soap.
The bar of chocolate. The bar of chocolate.
A tube of toothpaste. A tube of toothpaste.
A tin of tuna. A tin of tuna.
A tin of beans. A tin of beans.
A bottle of milk. A bottle of milk.
Okay everybody, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and share. As I said in the beginning, I will prepare lessons for specific needs. So if you have anything you would like me to explain, please write it in the comment. See you soon for another video.